Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information.
Okay, that vehicle hit somewhere, also it came down from there and then it went in another direction. Thank you. Can any of the other members check on this Hyundai that just hit again? Where did we lose it the last time, please? Because I think we lost it. I think it picked up by super cops and then we lost it somewhere.
Avenue and then into 4th, so I think that thing's going to come down this direction. It's on a Riley Mary coming our direction, so it came to 14th Avenue and then 4th Street.
I'm turning right onto 4th Street now.
November Juliet, 4th Street, 14th Avenue is there by North Mead Square.
Positive, what that thing's number plate? Does it have a canopy?
Negative stand by. I think I might have it here by the intersection 11. Stand by for me.
Okay.
The vehicle on Snake Road direction towards Inkwell Snake, going past the KFC now, just go right onto Snake Road. Behind me, and then the vehicle is in front of me.
Positive, let's talk to him. How's it, my buddy? Was this thing stolen before?
Yeah, it was.
Just pull in left for me. I want to chat to you quickly. Thanks, my bud. Alright, we just can, he's fine, happy. He says he'll just stop quickly, then we can just chat to him quickly. forward, go forward, go forward, go forward.
Recording him. Morris and SNIPR.
How's it, Buta? Have you got some ID with you, my buddy? Driver's license. Okay. Alright, so you are a suspect. Frick! It's got no identification, so they are suspects at the moment. Everything we're saying is being recorded on a camera. So whatever happens, it's yeah.
I see your videos on.
Alright, just so that you know. So at this moment it's like that. Can I phone somebody for you? Are you battling with airtime? What's the problem?
No, like now, Minister Boris, sir.
So you see, we do things by the book.
Yeah, I know. I used to see your videos on YouTube.
Right, so you're going to be one of those videos soon. No, they don't waste time. If you're not supposed to have it, then you're not supposed to have it. You don't take things that don't belong to you. Alright. Doesn't matter. I need you to step out of the vehicle for me, sir, please. Are you armed in any way? Do you have any dangerous weapons?
No, I'm not armed then.
Thank you. Alright. Can you step to the front of the vehicle for me, please? Thank you.
Expired fucking long ago.
Take pictures of...
It is updated. Just,
Hallo sniper. Lekker in jy. Ek het nie jou kar herken nie.
Nee man.
Ek dag jy altyd met die bakkie.
Yeah, my Jeep is in the
Hoe? Okay. So I'm holding for 10111. Hi, how are you doing? Good, thank you. Me too. I'm also, listen my angel, you're speaking to Anton from anti-hijacking, NOJACK anti-hijacking unit. I'm standing off with a stolen vehicle and a suspect here in Benoni. Yes, my love. Anton? My number is, you've got the number on the screen, there you are.
Yeah, but I was
on the corner of Morris and Solomon Street in Memorial. Morris, Mike Oscar Double Romeo India Sierra. And Solomon, Sierra Oscar, Lima Oscar, Mike Oscar November. Corner Solomon and Morris in Rhinefield, Benoni. Dis goed so my liefie. Yes my engel. 'n nie gesteelde kar, kom ek gee vir jou sy nommerplaat ook. Okay. Hotel Lima 80 Delta Romeo en Golf Papa. Dit is 'n Hyundai H100. Kom ek gee gou vir jou die saaknommer op hom. Ja my lief. Ons het die polisie nodig hierso. Ja, ek het een suspek. Kom ek gee vir jou gou die masnommer, 'n Brakpan masnommer, né? Nee? 'n landmark. Die engine op 5th Avenue. Net naby die highway. Yes. Dankie my girl. Geef my 'n IR nommer asseblief. Hou vir my pas. Kyk, het julle daarso ding daar vir 'n IR, Frik? Okay, 67 25 409. Dankie my engel. Mooi bly, lekker dag vir jou, lekker naweek. Tata.
Alright, dis klaar. Klaar my lief, ek is klaar besig daarmee. Maar ek het net toe ek hoor dat jy's die persoon wat daarmee hanteer, toe dink ek dat ek jou dan net dadelik gou skakel. Okay. Okay, hoe vas, ek wil net so 'n bietjie terugtrek, want polisman het hierso gearriveer, nou staan ek die hele pad vol. Verklaring skryf, ek wil net... Yes. Ek stuur vir jou alles af. Perfect. Shanana, ek stuur vir jou alles aan. Alright, hallo? Okay, sorry, ek stuur vir jou alles aan. Okay, my girl, dankie, bye bye. My liefie, gaan jy vir my alles oppak en saamvat asseblief? Oh, Fred, jy moet vir Sashi gaan haal. Okay, Fred sal val. Okay. Pak al my goeders alles. Ons is so naby jou. Ons is ook maar as jy sal ons sien staan as jy verby kom. Yes? Ja, heel later. Ja, film kan vir my nog speel. Alright, thank you. Okay. How's that? Fred, where's the other phone?
How's it going? Good, thank you. He did take charge. He actually, he is the one who took the vehicle. Yeah, no, he admitted that also. Yep. Makawiwi.
And that's the one I want.
No, we need to get Frikka and Amarok. We can't anymore. Nou genoeg is ons het nou
Ja.
al te veel plekke waar ek meen hier wanneer hy ouens daai freaking hoppel so slaan, nê. Nee.
Maybe, yeah,
they're talking at CRT van, hè?
Ja.
Ja, die dood, hè?
Ja.
ram them solid.
But you know Assie, but that used to be Assie, nee. He must also train the guys to do that. And when he left there, they knocked him like that because he told the guys this was defensive driving. But hy hulle geleer het mee. And then when the new guys took over,
Dankie.
ja, niks.
This project. And our local sniper, and then all the security companies that are involved, that then we can market to them and